We will see, in this tutorial, a new feature, which was introduced in Heliseal software from version 11. As a reminder, Heliseal updates are free. If you have a previous Heliseal license, you just have to go to your customer area and download the latest update. Once you have installed this update, you will see a new functionality in the File menu. This is a feature that allows you to see the models in 3D immediately for help with choice. And you will find, for example, here the different propellers and projects that were previously found in the File menu, but with a 3D visualization and explanations on the characteristics of the propeller before choosing it. You will also notice that there is a new list. This is a list that specializes in drone propellers. So this list can be increased or decreased by what you are going to create. In the 3D multi-rotor interface, that interests us here. The important thing I want to show you in this new tutorial is the multi-rotor features. I'm just going to introduce the multi-rotor interface, and each of its projects, contra-rotative propellers, and multi-rotor project, will be the subject of a separate tutorial. So here we are going to load a multi-rotor project. A prompt asks us if we want to keep the current propeller, or load the default propeller for multi-rotors project. This opens the multi-rotor project interface. We are going to slow down the rotation speed of the propellers a little, but maintain a little speed, to clearly see that they are rotating in different directions. And so we have left-handed propellers and right-handed propellers, which we can select to do a 3D STL or IGES export. Here we are in a multi-rotor chassis project. Therefore with a chassis, with several rotors whose number could be modified. To study the overall performance of this multi-rotor system, I'm not going to spend any more time describing the multi-rotor, as it will be the subject of a separate tutorial. We therefore see that we can switch to rotating contract. That is to say, add to this set of propellers another set of contra-rotating propellers which will add the performances. And we notice that the counter-rotating propellers that are created with settings and twists optimized for the recovery of energies from the upstream flow. I won't go any further here, we'll just go back here to a counter-rotating project. This is simply the study of two upstream and downstream propellers, whose different parameters we can vary to study the efficiency and the energy consumed. We will see this function in more detail in the next tutorial. That's all for this presentation of the multi-rotor interface, which was included in version 11.0.01 of the Heliseal software.